Think you need to spend $2,000 or $3,000 just to get a high-quality electric bike? Think again. The budget e-bike market has completely transformed, packing powerful hub motors, hydraulic disc brakes, and long-range swappable batteries into rides that cost under $1,000. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're counting down the best electric bikes under $1,000 in 2026. We've found the top choices for city commuting, weekend trails, and everyday errands that give you maximum bang for your buck. All the product links with updated Amazon discounts are in the description box below. Hit that subscribe button, and let's jump right in. Number 5. Qlife Racer Electric Bike. Starting our list at number 5 is the Qlife Racer Electric Bike, a versatile 26-inch electric mountain bike designed for commuting, recreational riding, and light off-road adventures. It uses a 48V system with a brushless motor rated up to 1000W peak power, giving it strong acceleration for hills and everyday riding. The bike also features a 21-speed gear system, providing plenty of flexibility for different terrain and riding conditions. Power comes from a removable 48V 7.8Ah, 375Wh battery. According to the listing, it can provide up to 25 miles of range in throttle mode and as much as 40 miles with pedal assist. A full recharge takes around 4 hours. For a more comfortable ride, the Racer includes full suspension and 26x 2.1-inch tires, helping absorb bumps on city streets and uneven trails. You can choose between 4 riding modes: manual, pedal assist, pure electric, and walking assist. The bike arrives around 90% pre-assembled and includes a headlight, rear reflector, charger, battery key, and tool kit. Pros: up to 1000W peak motor. Up to 40-mile pedal assist range. 21-speed drivetrain. Full suspension system. Removable 375Wh battery. Cons: carbon steel frame is heavier than aluminum. Throttle range is limited to around 25 miles. Exact rated motor output is not clearly specified. Overall, the Qlife Racer combines strong electric assistance, flexible 21-speed gearing, full suspension, and practical battery range, making it our number 5 pick for the best electric bikes of 2026. Number 4. Funhang EBC1 Electric Bike. Coming in at number 4 is the Funhang EBC1, a practical 26-inch city cruiser electric bike designed for daily commuting, errands, and comfortable recreational riding. It features a 500W motor with up to 1000W peak power, producing up to 55 Nm of torque and reaching a top speed of around 20 miles per hour. The 7-speed drivetrain also gives you flexibility when riding on different urban roads and gentle hills. The removable 48V 374.4Wh battery provides a claimed range of around 25 to 30 miles in pure electric mode and up to 40 to 50 miles with pedal assist, depending on rider weight, terrain, and riding conditions. For comfort, the EBC1 includes a step-through frame, adjustable stem, adjustable seat, and front suspension. A rear cargo rack and fenders make it particularly useful for commuting and carrying groceries or bags. You also get 5 riding modes, 5 pedal assist levels, an LCD display, front headlight, disc brakes, and UL 2849 certification for the complete e-bike. Pros: up to 1000W peak motor. Up to 50-mile pedal assist range. Step-through frame with adjustable fit. Rear rack and fenders included. 5 riding modes and pedal assist levels. Cons: heavy at around 61.5 pounds. High carbon steel frame is heavier than aluminum. Pure electric range is limited to around 25 to 30 miles. Overall, the Funhang EBC1 combines practical commuter features, solid electric assistance, long pedal assist range, and a comfortable step-through design, making it our number 4 pick for the best electric bikes of 2026. Number 3. TST Electric Bike for Adults. Taking the number 3 spot is the TST Electric Bike, a 20-inch fat tire e-bike designed for urban commuting, longer rides, and light off-road adventures. It features a 750W motor with up to 500W peak power, providing strong assistance for city streets, hills, and uneven terrain. The bike also includes a 7-speed drivetrain and 3 riding modes, giving you more flexibility for different riding conditions. Power comes from a removable 48V15Ah battery. According to the listing, it can provide around 40 miles of range in throttle mode and approximately 50 to 60 miles with pedal assist. Charging takes about 6 to 7 hours. For ride comfort, the bike uses front and rear suspension along with 20x 4-inch puncture-resistant fat tires, helping improve stability and absorb bumps on rough roads. An LCD display shows information such as speed, distance, and remaining battery level. Safety features include a bright front light and rear lighting. The product description also mentions mechanical disc brakes for stronger stopping performance. Pros: up to 500W peak motor. Up to 60-mile pedal assist range. 48V15Ah removable battery. Full suspension with 20x 4-inch fat tires. High 450-pound listed load capacity. Cons: heavy at around 66 pounds. Charging takes around 6 to 7 hours. Brake specifications are inconsistent in the listing. Note, the description states mechanical disc brakes, while the specifications table lists linear pull brakes, so the exact brake setup should be verified before purchase. Overall, the TST electric bike combines strong motor performance, long battery range, full suspension, and fat tire stability, making it our number 3 pick for the best electric bikes of 2026. Number 2. Gotrax R1 20-inch folding electric bike. Coming in at number 2 is the Gotrax R1, a compact folding electric bike designed for commuting, campus rides, errands, and easy transportation. It features a 350W rated motor with up to 500W peak power, allowing the bike to reach speeds of around 20 miles per hour. The 20x 2.6-inch tires provide a good balance between portability and stability for paved roads and light trails. Power comes from a removable 48V7.8Ah, 374.4Wh battery. According to the detailed specifications, it provides up to 15.5 miles in pure electric mode and around 25 miles with pedal assist, with approximately 5.5 hours of charging time. One of the R1's biggest advantages is its foldable aluminum frame. When folded, it measures about 37.4 by 17.7 by 27.5 inches, making it easier to fit inside a car trunk or take on public transportation. The bike also includes 3 riding modes, dual disc brakes, an LED headlight, rear reflector, bell, and smart display for important ride information. It weighs around 45 pounds and is UL 2849 certified. Pros: up to 500W peak motor. 20 miles per hour top speed. Compact folding aluminum frame. Dual disc brakes. Lightweight 45-pound design. Cons: no suspension system. Around 5.5-hour charging time. Listing title says 40 miles, while detailed specs state about 25 miles PAS range. Overall, the Gotrax R1 combines convenient portability, practical electric assistance, and useful commuter features, making it our number 2 pick for the best electric bikes of 2026. Number 1. Jasion EB5 electric bike. Taking the number 1 spot is the Jasion EB5, a versatile 26-inch electric bike designed for commuting, city riding, gravel roads, and light trail use. It features a 350W rated motor with up to 1000W peak power, delivering a top speed of around 20 miles per hour. The upgraded LCD display shows useful ride information including current speed, average speed, maximum speed, odometer, and pedal assist level. The removable 360Wh battery provides a claimed range of around 25 to 40 miles per charge, depending on terrain, rider weight, and assist level. Charging takes approximately 5 to 6 hours, and the removable design makes it convenient to charge at home or at work. The EB5 offers 4 riding modes, including pedal assist, pure electric, normal bicycle mode, and booster mode. It also includes 26-inch puncture-resistant tires, front suspension, 7-speed gearing, front and rear mechanical disc brakes, dual lights, and a horn. Pros: up to 1000W peak motor. 25 to 40 mile claimed range. 4 riding modes. Front suspension and 7-speed gearing. Removable 360Wh battery. Cons: around 5 to 6 hour charging time. Mechanical rather than hydraulic disc brakes. Carbon steel frame is heavier than aluminum. Overall, the Jasion EB5 combines strong electric assistance, practical battery range, multiple riding modes, and useful commuter features, making it our #1 pick for the best electric bikes of 2026.